Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products. We got John with Synapse Auto in the house today.
Sir.
Came in to kind of give our tech guys some training, latest and greatest on all the stuff you guys have. For those of you that have no clue what Synapse Auto is, why don't you give us a little rundown on what you guys do, what you're making, and why?
Sure. Synapse Auto is a distribution company for remanufactured products. We're based out of Greenville, South Carolina. And one of the things that we pride ourselves on is the quality of our products. We're ISO 9001 certified facility that our products are remanufactured in. And that way that we can provide a high quality service for you, the end user, in a world that you got to keep your truck up on the road.
And what about your product line? Tell us a little bit about that. What kind of maybe top sellers, what things you guys have to offer?
Yeah, we're most known for our turbo actuators. A lot of the Cummins 6.7 diesel engines. We do turbo actuators for those as one of our top sellers. We also do instrument clusters, TCMs, Ford 6.0 FICMs, and things like that.
Now, one thing you guys are really awesome at is your warranties and how you guys handle those. I know it's a really streamlined, no hassle process. Tell us a little bit about the warranty process.
Yeah, so our warranty is no hassle. If you have an issue with a product or you need post-sale troubleshooting support, you can give us a call and we'll take care of that with you over the phone.
Perfect. Well guys, whether you need turbo actuator, TCM, FICM, or a new gauge cluster, you can get it right here at Diesel Power Products. Just click the link in the bio and check out Synapse Auto.